What's outside? What do you see? Birds? Are those birds outside? It's exciting to see the birds, isn't it? Well, stand up on my leg again. Step up. You gonna sit on me? You can't see out the window if you sit on my leg. But if you stand on it, you can. Do you need me to lift you up? Woo!